Yo, what up? What's going on? I'm back at it again. Fresh cut. My bro Mark, Primo motherfucking Solo. You already motherfucking know the deal. Got something to say, Mark?
You already know we about to shut this bitch down. Love Bob, Springway.
2010.
2010, just another day in the fast life, motherfucker.
You already know what it is. It's the Ink Boys in the building. That's our new shit. Ink Boys, cause we tatted. You know what I'm saying? We about to shut it down. Oh, damn, you gonna do me like that, Solo?
Hey, that music, niggas, the new shit.
Yeah. That Dipset. Yeah. Okay.
Affecting almost everybody. Are your credit card bills?
It's Mr. Take It Girl.
Old paychecks.
You know what I mean? See y'all looking over here.
With interest rates as high as
One love. We out.
It's time to